Ever wondered how different materials can impact your space? The truth is, your choice of material, be it wood, metal, glass, or fabric, can significantly alter the look, feel, and functionality of any room. Stay tuned as we delve into the unique characteristics of these materials. Starting with wood, a versatile material with a myriad of uses. It's all about understanding the characteristics. The durability of hardwoods like oak and maple make them ideal for furniture, while the softer grains of pine lend themselves to decorative elements. Transitioning to metals, each type exudes a different vibe. Brass, for instance, can add a touch of vintage charm, while stainless steel brings a sleek, modern feel. From vintage to modern, the right choice of wood or metal can set the tone for your space. Now, let's shift our focus to glass, a material that can add transparency and reflection to a space. Glass can truly open up a room, and with options like frosted or tinted glass, you can also maintain privacy. Transitioning to fabric, consider factors like texture, color, and durability. A plush velvet might exude luxury, while a rugged denim could bring a casual comfort vibe. From the delicate sheers to the sturdy tweeds, fabrics have their own language. Whether it's the transparency of glass or the softness of fabric, the right material can elevate any design. But beyond the look and feel, how do we choose materials for high-traffic areas? It's all about durability. Materials like ceramic tile or hardwood flooring can withstand the constant wear and tear. And let's not forget, they should be easy to clean and maintain. Aesthetic alignment also plays a crucial role. Your choice of materials and finishes should synchronize with the space's overall aesthetic. And in today's world, sustainability is no longer an option but a necessity. Remember, durability, aesthetics, and sustainability are key factors to consider when choosing materials. Choosing the right materials can make or break your design. Remember, understanding materials, considering high-traffic areas, aligning aesthetics, and prioritizing sustainability are crucial. With the right knowledge and an eye on trends, you can choose materials that enhance your space and stand the test of time.
Like, follow, and share. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube at Dees Design and Signature Crafts and Designs.